So, you know, we'll you know, see what kind of shields we have and stuff. We're going to probably at least need shields. Want to see if you have one, and possibly if I have one in my truck, check mine also. So we'll, you know, if we have to intervene, we'll do it. But you know, I'm not going in there when he's got like 2 or 3 swords with him either. Me too.
88 was notified. He's going to be reaching out to you directly. SWAT was also notified. They're going to be sending their ERT unit.
10-4, thank you.
Please, over.
We're just going to hold the perimeter here until they get here. I mean, if he's being a little vocal out of his room, like yelling stuff, so if we start hearing anything that maybe sounds... hang on a second, let me go, Captain. He's on the door. Drop him down! Drop him down! Drop him!
Shot fired.
Don't move! Drop the knives! Drop the knives!
Get back.
Do not move! Turn over!
Unit 2 be advised, we're going live.
10-4. You hear that, Captain?
9, very high call.
I just shot him. He was coming down the stairs at me with the swords.
Hold on, 972 and